Hi, how to upload videos on the YouTube channel. Enter address youtube.com, then enter in your account. If you want other account, enter switch account. Then click plus create and upload video, and then select files. Select our file and then enter title, enter description, enter thumbnail, choose thumbnail when your video will be downloaded, or create your thumbnail. Then select playlist if you have playlists. Then no, it's not made for kids. Then no, don't restrict my video to views over 18 only. Then show more. You may add text in your video language, category, and then next. You can add subtitles to your video and screen, for example. Save, and then next. Then next, one more, and save or publish. You can add private video only for you and people you choose. Unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video, or public, everyone can watch your video. Also, you can schedule video in any date and time. I choose private video and then save. Our video was uploaded to YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, you can write me in comments. Subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.